This is a video on how to install our cornhole board wraps. Before you get started, you want to make sure that your cornhole board has a coat of paint or either polyurethane down. Piece of tape to hinge the middle of the graphic. Then you're going to peel the backing away and using a squeegee, apply it from the hinge outward. Then once it is all applied, you peel up your tape, start peeling the backing away from the other side, and slowly work towards the edge, peeling off the backing as you need. Then final step, cut out your hole and trim the edges of your board and you are set to go.